Building Stronger Bonds, CRM Strategies for Enhanced Customer Loyalty. Episode 2, Implementing CRM Strategies for Small Businesses. Welcome back to our series Mastering CRM, a guide to cultivating lasting customer relationships. In part 1, we explored the critical role of CRM in building meaningful customer connections. Today, we're diving into how small businesses can implement CRM strategies effectively. So let's get started. CRM systems are no longer just for large corporations. Small businesses can greatly benefit from these. First, let's talk about capturing customer data. A CRM system allows you to collect essential information like contact details, preferences, and past interactions. Here are 3 steps to do this effectively. Identify touch points where you interact with customers like emails, website forms, or social media. Sync these touch points with your CRM system to capture data automatically. Organize the data into clear categories for easy access. Think new leads, returning customers, or priority clients. Not all CRM tools are created equal, so choosing the right one for your business is key. If you're on a budget, look for free or low-cost options like HubSpot. Need scalability? Salesforce is a great option for businesses expecting growth. Prefer simplicity? Zoho CRM offers an intuitive interface for small teams. Pro tip: always look for features like integration with your current tools, mobile accessibility, and automation options. Now let's walk through setting up your CRM. Start by importing your existing customer data, such as email lists or spreadsheets. Customize fields to match your business needs, for example, last purchase date or preferred communication method. Automate repetitive tasks like follow-up emails or appointment reminders to save time. For instance, a small bakery might use CRM to track customer birthdays and send personalized offers. This simple strategy not only improves customer loyalty but also boosts sales. Implementing a CRM system tailored to your business can be a game changer. Now it's your turn. Audit your customer touchpoints. Choose a CRM that fits your needs. Start organizing your data and automating tasks. Want to learn more? Check out our free CRM setup checklist linked below, and don't forget to subscribe for the next episode where we'll explore how to use CRM data to enhance customer loyalty. Thanks for watching Building Stronger Bonds, CRM Strategies for Enhanced Customer Loyalty. Stay tuned for more tips on how to make smarter